Thanks for checking out Specialty Gear Drives. Today we are taking a look at a repair we did on a Falk Model 2110Y1-LR, a heavy-duty enclosed gear drive built for continuous service in harsh industrial environments. We're specialized in Falk rebuilds at Specialty Gear Drives. Our process starts with a full teardown to assess corrosion and inspect the large multi-stage helical gear train. We replace all worn shafts, seals, and install new premium bearings. We meticulously rebuild the unit, ensuring every gear mesh and bearing bore is precisely aligned to handle the gearbox's massive torque and output. The result is a fully restored 2-stage Falk drive, certified with a 24-month warranty and ready to deliver years of reliable service. Trust your Falk drive to the experts. Contact Specialty Gear Drives at specialtygeardrives.com.